Hello guys, you are welcome to this YouTube channel, and today I will be walking you through some of the features of Mailchimp. Okay, today we want to look at how to create a landing page with Mailchimp. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, I would humbly request that you click the subscribe button and be a part of my channel. I really upload content based on web development and digital marketing, and there are a lot of tools available for you to interact with. So let's get started. The first thing is Mailchimp is a third-party email application, and there is a link in my description that will take you to mailchimp.com. It's an affiliate link, but it's not going to cost you any money, so kindly make use of that link. So it's going to take you to where you are going to just come and sign up. Let me reduce my video here, and I will just sign up. So it's going to come to mailchimp.com. That is where it's going to come to. The link is an affiliate link. Once you get to mailchimp.com, the first thing you want to do is to sign up. Yes, I've already signed in, but you will just click sign up, and you are going to use your email address to verify. It is as simple as that. Now, there is always an issue with verifying with either a well-known domain registrar like gmail.com, yahoomail.com, but you can actually use your normal email account for your customized domain. Like in my own case, mojitfetga.com, I can actually use an email account, admin@mojitfetga.com. So that is just that. Either ways, you can use your Gmail account, Yahoo mail account, any of, just to sign up, and you get to making use of Mailchimp. Mailchimp is an email solution. Okay, so when you get to your dashboard, which is where your accounts, your details, your audience insights, and everything you really want to do, you want to come to this create button. Okay, and there are a lot of functionalities you can integrate with your Mailchimp, and I'm going to walk you through some of them in another video. But in this video, we want to look at how to create a landing page. So you want to click on create, and once you click on create, it's going to take you to the options. We can create email customized journey, which means you can create a funnel for your customer. You can create email templates, you can create multi-channel designs, and you can create landing page survey. You can create a lot of things here, but we are looking at creating landing page. So what is a landing page? A landing page is a single interface. A single interface. There is nothing else but a function, just a single function on a single interface. Okay, so when you get to that page, what is the only function you want to do? You want to subscribe, you want to opt in. So it's also called an opt-in page. It can also be called a squeeze page. There are other names, but there's only one functionality, which is that enter your information if you are interested in the offer. So if the landing page is to give you tips, email content, tips for your niche, your business niche, and anybody who goes to your landing page sees the offer and enters their email address, their name, their details as you want it, that is the only job of a landing page. So the first thing you want to do is just give your landing page a name. So this is training on Facebook ads or Facebook marketing. So you click on begin. So you will get that we are only creating a single page for a single function, which is to do one thing. Okay, one of the options is probably we can create a lead generation. Lead is prospect detail. So we can create a simple content, a simple page that generates, that receives, that accepts the prospect details. You can also pay to accept payments. So it's a landing page where you can actually do a single function, accept payments, Okay, accept payment, simple, new, and now there are a lot of templates available for you to select, and you can make use of these templates. But yeah, we really want to just do one thing, and that is to grow our list. We want to grow our email list, and there are a lot of other things you can do with these advanced new features, all these new tools. And like I always say in my videos, most of these tools are improving. They are improving on their functionalities, their features, so that you as the user of their platforms will be able to make one time efforts. Just come to their page, you do everything you want to do one time, and you have the best of the results. So let us click grow your list. Now don't forget the fact that Mailchimp primarily is an email application. So when we say grow your list, we are referring to your email list within Mailchimp. So you want to create a landing page for people to opt in and give you their email list, and you are using Mailchimp, which is an email application, to continue your email marketing. It means that once you start, you will be able to generate email, and those who subscribe opt into your email list, and you use your email marketing to remarket to them, and that is how it goes. So like in this, we want to edit this logo. You can click on this edit, and you can come to this head to replace this logo, and it will take you to your Mailchimp library, and that's you will see a lot of information, a lot of uploaded content. But if you've not uploaded anything and you just want to, like, okay, I want to upload logo from your laptop, then you want to click on upload at the right side here, and it's going to open your laptop files, and you can also get more content from probably the products you have uploaded, Givey, Instagram, and you can do a lot of things. So I will just pick one of the storage files. I just want to pick a logo, and I just want to pick something within, I think I've seen 1, 2, 3. Let me pick this. Okay, I'm making use of Messenger Panda. Messenger Panda is also an email application, but it's not like Mailchimp. In fact, there are a lot of videos in my YouTube channel on Messenger Panda. Okay, and that is that. So you can see the logo is uploaded. I can resize the image, in order to get a better, framework. And of course, you can always come to canva.com. I always use Canva for virtually everything I do to get your image designed and what have you. So let's get back. Where are we? Here we are. So now we've gotten our logo. The next thing is we want to write our content. This is the header, and we can edit by clicking this, and we have our edit section at the right side. And let us say Facebook excuse me, Facebook for business here. So I want to increase this font size, the fonts, the size, I want to make it 32. The default, I want it to be header, and I want to centralize it. And of course, I can decide that I want to put a link, but you do not put links out within a landing page. So that is how it works. So the next thing, you want to put your content here, and I'm going to leave this, and this email is here. And as soon as you are through, you click on save and close, and you click on save and close. And once it is saved, it's going to go through the process for publishing, and once you click on publish, you are going to see a landing page like this. Let me click this preview. So the landing page will be as simple as this. This is the desktop version and this is the mobile version. So the landing page will be like this, and your logo, your heading, your information, what you want to, you can add more, and the email. So that is how your landing page will look like, and what you must do to complete this process is to click publish. So once you click publish, you can, yes, this is the link to your landing page, and this is where you want to start driving traffic to. Okay, you want to start driving traffic to this, and this is as simple as this can get you. So you can literally start driving traffic to this landing page, and people who come here, okay, enter their email address, click on subscribe, they join your email list. And in another video, I would be teaching you how to build a complete website on using Mailchimp. Okay, if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button and be a part of my community. I upload content on web development and digital marketing, and I say good luck.